Morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Guys, why le rate go spota batho? Ene lona le sa rate go hotspotiwa. National shutdown 6 December. Cyril Ramaphosa must go. Ara le botsa ka di election. Ara le botsa ele re roha. Ara le botsa le re roha. Hore guys, ANC le na le bontshitse di tshila ene sa tlo le bontsha di tshila. Boang kwano re tleng kamo. Boang kwano re tleng kamo because le re ne re le hona ka mo leleng ka mo. Aya re irela selo. Wa itse ra ruhiwa. Wa itse ra ruhiwa. Wa itse tšho ponta gore na ibile at some point ne ke nagana ka re ha batho ba ba ka se ruwe fela. Hora hore hona le tšhelete ba ikrang ka backdoor. Ra ruhiwa. No, I never know you want to hotspot us. Or no, he must go. Hey, we don't want Julius Malema. Julius Malema, unyaka ma EF, unyaka ma foreigner in the country. Hoira halang. Helen Zille are ma foreigner pakati benekant in South Africa. You are welcome. Now Ramaphosa are ma foreigner ma Pakistan pakati benekant kamarampa South Africa la muhelehile. So now hona ba non tshonto rireng. Re tshonto rireng. Na re hotspote. Re hotspote hena. Le dlala rof. Now let me tell you this. I said it. Kare wetse a le lapisi ke tshokola le lapisi ke khatello. Now le kona le tlo thomo e bona ka re ke le butso le tlo e bona le lapisi ke khatello le tshotlego. Human dignity yona ke bolele ka yona. Now le batlo hotspot batho 6 December. National shutdown. Now let me tell you this. My professor will launch his last book. Kya book launching. Kya book launching. And le sto to le raba to le 6 December shutdown. Tlabe le ntse go dintlong tsa lena le lebelletse on national TV. Bana ba batho ba ile go bala ba le one. Bana ba batho ba ile go bala ba le one le sto. But in any case, all the best. All the best because of back then if that was a perfect time kana kwa election. That was a perfect time. That was a perfect time kana go tsa di election. Ngere mofulusitse khalo. So gona ba no a re itse ke eng ntwe le tsang gore ile botso re letla kona. Hence I'm saying gore nna ka di 6 December my professor whom I can't mention his name. He's launching his last book. Tlabe ke le ko book launching. Ta ke di tsene fruit tlabe ke le busy ke lokisa meriri le manala. A ke di tsene tse. You on your own. Ka mokholleng re le botsa la re botsa ra we are on our own. All the best. A re boneng gore le tla mo folosana. A re boneng.